The Indian Coast Guard conducted a significant anti-narcotics operation near the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, seizing a vessel carrying 6,000 kilograms of methamphetamine. The trucks, packed in approximately 3,000 packets of 2 kilograms each, hold immense value in the international market. The operation began on November 23rd when a Coast Guard Dornier aircraft during routine patrols noticed suspicious movement of a fishing trawler near Barren Island, which is located about 150 km from Port Blair. The trawler was warned to slow down and the aircraft pilot alerted the Andaman and Nicobar Command. Swift action followed with nearby fast patrol vessels intercepting the trawler and towing it to Port Blair on November 24th. 6 Myanmarese nationals aboard were detained, and it is suspected that the drugs were intended for India and neighboring countries. The Andaman and Nicobar police have been informed of a joint investigation. Similar seizures of banned substances have occurred in the region in 2019 and 2022. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.